How to buy NFT as a beginner. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can buy NFTs as a complete beginner, where to find the best NFTs out there in cheap prices, and how you can explore different NFT collections. What are the top NFT collections out there that you should buy NFT from, and what are the different rates, and how you can buy NFT really easily using the world's famous platform. So let's get started. First, what you need to do is you can go to OpenSea.io. OpenSea is world's first and largest NFT marketplace with almost all the NFTs out there. All of the famous collections are here. So if you're looking to buy NFT, then I would definitely suggest checking out OpenSea.io, and you can search different NFTs in different categories such as art, collectibles, domain names, music, photography, support, trading cards, virtual world, and more. So, and getting started with OpenSea is really easy, and it also has really good rate for you when it comes to buying NFTs. So, first of all, how to get started? We have found the platform right on OpenSea. So the first step is getting a crypto wallet. Now you can get any type of crypto wallet. What I would suggest is that you can get the simplest one and the most famous one, which is MetaMask. So what I want you guys to do is go to metamask.io and get the MetaMask extension for Chrome, which is completely free. So once you get the extension, you will set a reasonable password, and then you will get your account like this. So this is my MetaMask account that I just created for you guys. And you can see right here, you will simply deposit funds in it. You can buy different things from it. And of course, you can buy Ethereum and Polygon NFTs with MetaMask. If you're looking to buy NFTs in Solana NFTs, then you can go with a Phantom wallet. I also have a Phantom wallet. So you can go ahead and create a Phantom app. So this is just an additional tip for you guys. If you're looking to buy Solana NFTs, then you can go with Phantom wallet. Today I will be telling you about Ethereum NFTs more, because that are the basic NFTs. Solana is still in the progress of kind of like getting out there, but the Ethereum NFTs are there, and there are a lot of collection and a lot of NFTs to explore from. So you have your MetaMask. This is the first step, getting a crypto wallet. Go back to OpenSea.io and connect your wallet. How to connect your wallet to OpenSea? You can go to this icon right here, which is a wallet icon, and I have already actually connected. So if I just log out, I will be able to show you how you can connect the wallet. So once you click on the icon, you will find all of these different options. We have MetaMask, Coinbase, Wallet Connect, Phantom, and Glow. So I will click on MetaMask, of course, and then it will allow me to connect my MetaMask. There you go, it has been connected. And now I can add funds. So we have the platform, we have the wallet. Now we have to find the right NFT to buy. So what you can do is you can find the option of Explore on OpenSea. Explore allows you to check out all different kinds of NFTs, such as music, photography, utility, trading cards, and there is an open marketplace. Let's open the open marketplace. This means that I will be able to find all type of NFTs here. So this is the OpenSea marketplace, and you can see we have a lot of different NFTs available here. We will be able to find pixel NFTs, 3D NFTs, PNG. We have 3D, this one is 3D. And then we also have the pricing here. The price is shown here in Ethereum, 0.1 Ethereum. This one is 3.55 Ethereum, 0.05 Ethereum. Pretty good. Then we have this one, which is 0.039 Ethereum. Cool. So these are the different NFTs that I can check. This is in the open marketplace. So I'm kind of like really liking this art, crypto homeless person. So I'm just gonna open it up. You click on it and OpenSea will open it up for you, and you can get a more depth view into the NFT. So this is the NFT right here. Okay, this is an NFT art. So this is a crypto homeless person. This is the collection. I can go ahead and check out the collection. So we have 19 owners, floor price is 0.039, volume is 1.3, and there are 23.1k items in this collection. This one is 18 and 444, and it is right now on auction. So we have 0.039, which is $47 right now. So at the time of making this video, Ethereum is way too low, and you can see 0.039 are making $47. This is pretty good time to buy different NFTs, to be honest. And you can see right here, so I can buy it for 0.03. Okay, $47, perfect. Now I can also check the properties, listing, offer. So if I want to buy this NFT, I have two options: buy now or make an offer. So if I click on make offer, I will be able to offer, I can offer in with, and then we have others. So I'm going to go with this one, and then I'm going to fill in my price. Let's go with 0.05, and it's going to be 61. Okay, that's too much. 0.02, $24. Okay, let's go with 0.03, and then that is $36. So right now somebody actually bid for $47. So I need to go above them so that I can get the NFT. And 0.04 is perfect. It's $49, and I can get this NFT for $49. This is pretty good, and I can just add my offer right here and add an expiry date, and then I can convert into Ethereum. I have connected my wallet. If you have funds, then you just click on make offer and click on convert Ethereum. This will allow you to convert your Ethereum to with the Ethereum you have in your wallet. For example, I want to convert 1 Ethereum. You will be able to do that, and your wallet will, if you have funds, then you will be able to buy the NFT really easily. If I want to buy the NFT right now, click on buy now, and it will take you to the window where it will give you your pricing. So this is going to be for $47. This is the fixed price, and I can get it for $47. All I have to do is click on checkout. Once I click on checkout, it will open up my wallet for me, and then I will be able to simply buy this NFT with my wallet. Of course, I cannot show you my wallet because of privacy reasons, but you just click on buy now, checkout, add your wallet information, address, and then buy the NFT with the funds that you have in your wallet. How to add funds? Well, you can go to your Ethereum wallet right here, and you can add funds in your USD. We can also add different mainnets to our wallet in order to buy NFTs on Polygon. Polygon is a gas-free experience that we can enjoy on OpenSea. The setting price I know is 2.5%, but it is just one-time fee that you pay on OpenSea. You don't have to pay a lot of fee every time you buy NFT, so that's why it's really good. Another thing that you can do is go to stats right here and go to rankings. Once you go to rankings, it will open up the top NFT collections for you. So if you're looking to buy top NFTs, then you can simply go to this collection. You can see right here, they're ranked in order. We have Bored Ape Yacht Club, CryptoPunks, Doodles, Cool Cats, Takashi Murakami. Then we have Cobtown, Sandbox. Similarly, we have OK Bearers. We have Art Blocks, Cool Cats again here. Then we have all of the famous NFT collections are shown here. And all you have to do is just select the NFT collection and open it up, find your favorite NFT. We also have World of Women here. So the NFT collections with this green dot means that they are the new ones. And then this blue tick means that these are the verified ones. For example, I can check out the Bored Ape Yacht Club. This is the NFTs for Bored Ape Yacht. You can see they are on 91 Ethereum right now. The floor price for this collection is 91 Ethereum. Okay, so these are the different Bored Ape Yacht Club. Then we have Doodles. You can see right here, Doodles floor price is 13 Ethereum. Pretty good. And I can check all the Doodle NFTs. I personally really like Doodle NFTs. One of the very famous collection out there, and the art is just phenomenal. You can see right here. I can buy any of these by just clicking buy now and paying 14 Ethereum. Similarly, we have, of course, CryptoPunks. This is the Pixel NFT, one of the most famous ones. And you can see right here that I can check out different CryptoPunks here on OpenSea. That is why I say OpenSea is good, because you can actually find the best collections out there on OpenSea. They're listed on OpenSea. This is CryptoPunks, and I can just go ahead and buy any of the CryptoPunks I like with the method that I just showed you. And we can simply buy NFTs on OpenSea. And now you know how to simply buy NFTs on OpenSea. So yeah, guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to buy NFT as a beginner. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.